Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Repairing a 10 by 20 concrete patio can cost between $300 to $3,000, depending on the extent of damage and repair methods. Minor repairs like crack filling or resealing are on the lower end, typically under $500. More extensive repairs such as patching significant cracks or resurfacing can range from $500 to $2,000. If the patio requires a complete overhaul, such as full replacement or major structural issues, costs can reach $3,000 or more. Always consult with a professional to get an accurate estimate based on your patio's specific needs.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.